Hi guys, so welcome to this unboxing video for a Stylemate.co wireless metal in-ear headphones. Comes with a charging cable, micro USB, 3 sets of ear tips, an ear holder, and it has 8mm drivers. They've spelt drivers wrong, so that's a good sign. They have an epic typo on there. A noise cancelling microphone. Next track, volume up, multi-function button, so you can take calls on this. You can create a sort of sexy necklace with it. So Bluetooth is 4.1, frequency range is whatever that is, operational distance up to 30 feet, 10mm. Well, that's what? That's like a centimetre. I think that's a typo as well. I think they mean 10 meters. So it's either got a range of that or 10 meters supposedly. Music playtime up to 4.5 hours and 180 standby time. That's about the same as the Sony headphones I had, which were about 90 quid. So you get 1 year warranty on it as well apparently. But Stylemate.co, if you're watching this, just run a spell check on your product. It's just an idea. Feels like it's magnetic actually. It's got a little book thing going on there. The packaging as well is quite good in that it's recyclable. It's just a cardboard box, so you can throw this away, which is it's a nice touch. It's not, you know, 20 quid pair of headphones. You're not really going to be too bothered about them really. So that's, you get a very small, well, the text is quite small on there. So there's the text, the manual there. As you can see, it's quite small. You got different sizes here, so you can fit the headphones to your liking. I would suggest take some time with this with most headphones, because when you get a nice fit, you can actually end up, you know, not having to have the headphones as loud, so loud. You know, you can actually have them lower if you get a nicer fit. And also just wet the tips with your, stick these in your mouth just before you put them in. It creates a sort of a suction watertight seal thing. And you've also got this thing here, which I've no idea what it is. I think it's like a cable tidy, I think. I don't know, I could be completely wrong. I'm not a fan of these. I did have some Sony ones recently which I had to send back because they wouldn't charge, but these I'm not really fond of those. So you also get your USB cable, which is tiny. So here are the headphones. Here, obviously you got your magnet thing there, so you can wear them as a pretty necklace, which is absolutely beautiful. I got the red ones for no real reason really, just felt like it. So these, I'll just quickly put them in my ear. I would probably try smaller earbuds. I think these are medium, and these are probably large. Yeah, I think these are large and these are smaller. Does look like there is a slight gap in there, and that's mesh as well, so maybe water can get in there. But these are just standard things that pop out as well. They look like fairly normal headphones, so they go back on. The right headphone has the control unit. It does feel a bit weighty. Whether this side will pop out or it'll be annoying when you're running, I'm not sure. So we got your buttons there. You got the multi-function button, which will light up, I assume, somewhere. I'm sure it will light. There we go. It's lit up there. Yeah. So there we go. So I guess you just turn that on. Go into your iPhone settings, system preferences, and turn Bluetooth pairing on and select Stylemate.co.uk.